the opportunity to speak with our reporters, John West Townley and Spencer Gallagher, exchanging words. And oh, they're going at it. This is going to be good here.
Hope the trucks aren't coming.
John West Townley and Spencer Gallagher down there in turn 1. And there's points for a takedown. And the fans are loving it. Townley and Gallagher. John West Townley landed a couple of good blows there. And I'm not sure if the fight was over or they just got too tired to continue.
Yeah, I knew it wasn't coincidence those two trucks were sitting there tore up.
With John West Townley and Spencer Gallagher will be going to the NASCAR trailer after the race for a little sit down.
Well, they're going to go to the infield care center first, fortunately in separate ambulances, and then they will have to go to